Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to do the title paper piecing for If the Shoe Fits page kit number 105. If you haven't already and would like to pick up one of these kits, please check the description below this video and there will be a link where you can go to my shop and purchase one of these kits. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So first off, I'd like to start by showing you the glue that I like to use, which is the Art Glitter brand and it's called Designer Dries Clear, and I use the fine metal tip as well. Okay, so the first thing that I like to do is to glue on the base pieces. So it's going to go just like that. So I'm going to glue the purple one down first. I'm going to center it right on the black. It has a nice thin border all around the edges. Okay, and then the white one is next. Same thing, we're just centering it right on the purple, so you have that nice thin purple border. We have that double matte of the purple and the black. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is there are a few pieces here that need to be glued together first. So like the hat, the black goes onto the gray. Okay, and then we have this piece and this piece. I'm gonna go ahead and put some glue on there. And then the gold glitter. The wider part goes on the top. And just goes right in the middle. And a shout out to Miss Kate Cuttables. This is actually one of her titles that I'm using today. Okay, the hat is finished. Now this little piece, let's glue these on. So the dark purple goes on to the light purple, and we're gonna line it up at the top edge. Now, I think the black goes on first. Let me see. Okay, so it looks like the black goes on first. I'm just going to put it on the shoe part. And I'm going to line it up with the heel for the bottom part of the shoe. Am I doing this right? Guess it's like a little offset. So yes, it looks like this top part lines up and the heel lines up, but the other stuff is offset. And then this is going to go on top. And this you want to line up with the, I guess, the top. Just using my pin to scrape off the excess glue. Okay, so it should look like this. And now we're going to place this on top. You know what? I'm not going to place this on yet because I want to line it up with the backing piece. So these are ready. And now, oh no, we still have to do, I'll do the little, I don't know if you can see that. This little tiny piece that goes on the boot. I'm going to do it after it's glued on here because it overhangs. So, okay, this is going to go on here. I don't know if I did this quite right. I got it a little off there. Hopefully, I don't know if I can fill it up. This might be a bad idea. I don't know. Maybe I should just leave it. All right, I'm just gonna stick it back down. So when you glue this one on, just be careful that it's all the way centered perfectly on the light yellow piece. Because mine got off just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just glue this down. Maybe that would have been easier. Maybe gluing the yellow broom down first and then putting this over the top might have been an easier way to go. So you might want to try that. Okay, let me see. I'm going to glue this down next and this on top. Okay, now the hat can go on top. Could even use some foam squares and pop it up a little bit. Might be cute. I don't have any near me. Oops, I just got a little bit of glue on top. Oh, what a bummer. So be careful you don't have glue on your fingers. I just botched that up and I got glue right on top of that hat. Okay, I'm just gonna glue it down flat. I'm going to line the H and the E up with the white. This will go right on top here, like that. it's not sticking. Put some more glue on here. Try it one more time. And the last piece. Okay, all done. I'll give you a close-up. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button and click that bell for notifications. And again, if you'd like to pick up this kit, check the description below and you'll find a link to my shop where you can find all kinds of fun projects. There are more paper piecing videos on my YouTube channel for this kit as well, or there should be, or is going to be. So thank you so much again, and have a great day.